హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. నా ఛానల్కి మీ అందరికీ స్వాగతం. లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ ది వీడియో, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ ఫర్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ న్యూ వీడియోస్. ప్లీజ్ క్లిక్ ది బెల్ ఐకాన్. ఈ వీడియోని లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి, నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. కొత్త వీడియోల నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. Hi, welcome to my run series. So, how will you meet third form of first prophet at his residence, the ashram or temple, whatever, without getting repelled? How can you stabilize the meeting? As you know, he cannot do any of the Gruhastha ashrama for his own self, maintenance of rooms, cooking, washing, etc. Nor can his family members stay with him and help him with those things. Only the people should reach him and help him with those. But they are getting repelled and they are not able to reach him. They are facing a huge obstacles, very threatening obstacles. If he performs them by himself, it will affect the top rung of the society, top rung people of the society. Or if someone is to provide the services to his home, they and their family will be affected, and just it will become a scene of Bakasur where daily or weekly a person has to face fatal fate to provide the services. And if he comes out of his residential area to get these services, it will cause natural disasters affecting all people in the society from top to bottom rings. So as you see in the Telugu movie Antarvedam, the China Baba does not have any passport. So the devotee asks, how did he go to China? And the Sishya tells him that he jumped the wall and went. Why do you even care? And also to complete the yaga, they would need a person who is about to die. So what do they mean in this context? As no help comes, the first prophet would be forced to continue his life normally by doing the Gruhastha ashram for him himself. This would start affecting the top rung and they would become people who are about to die. And so finally it would make no difference if they cross the barricade or they do not. So it's better they take the leap of faith. They are forced to commit suicide. They should jump into the space. అంతరిక్షంలోకి స్పేస్ సూట్ లేకుండా దూకడానికి సాహసం చేయాలి. And you have heard many stories where people go to the suicide hill and get their mind changed and saved by the person living nearby the spot. So the first prophet would save them from death if they dare to commit suicide. With the will of committing suicide, if they enter, they will be able to reach him and he would provide solution for them as well as him. How to conduct his Gruhastha with the help of people in the society? You should make the leap of faith, jump. You have seen videos of goats fearing to cross this stream, and when one goat takes the leap, other goat also takes the leap, then the whole herd can start taking the leap and cross the river. You have to overcome your fears. You can't expect the prophet to come outside every time. And what would force this? The component that would force people to do this, which while they have been avoiding this all the time till now, it is that if he does his Gruhastha ashrama for himself, they would be becoming people who are nearing death, they will know their death is near and they can do something about it. So they will have to choose to leap instead of staying there and dying. Soon as time passes and the first prophet continues his life living on earth, this scene would be forced upon people on earth. So the most affected, the first in the line, victims of the situation, of the crisis, please muster the courage to make the leap. Wish you good luck.